Good morning everyone. Today we are executing workshop seminar. Our topic is organic chemistry. In organic chemistry we have to study isomerism. Now isomerism is the same molecular formula but different properties. There are two types of isomerism. First, structural isomerism. Second, stereomerism. We study more about stereomerism in class 12th. Structural isomerism is also have 6 types. First is chain isomerism. Second, position isomerism. Third, functional group isomerism. Fourth, metamerism. Fifth, deuteromerism, and sixth is ring chain isomerism. Now, chain isomerism. Chain isomerism is also known as nuclear isomerism. It has same molecular formula but different carbon structure. Example of chain isomerism is CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, which is pentene. Now, position isomerism. Position isomerism have different in the position of substituent and functional group. Example is C3H6. It represents aldehyde as well as ketone. Our next topic is functional group isomerism. Functional group isomerism have same molecular formula but different functional group. Example is C3H6O represent aldehyde as well as ketone. Next topic is metamerism. Metamerism is the same molecular formula but different number of carbon atom in either side of functional group. The example of metamerism is C4H10O have two structure. First is this and second is this. Third is deuteromerism. Deuteromerism is the special type of isomerism. Isomerism exists in the dynamic with each other. In this type of isomerism we have to study in class 12th. Now next topic is ring chain isomerism. One isomerism possesses an open chain and other possesses a cyclic. Example, butane, one ion. In here CH3 possesses open chain and it possesses closed chain or cyclic chain. Now we have to solve some questions related to isomerism. This is a question. It said that an alkane which has molecular mass 86. We have to find the molecular mass of the alkane and write down all possible isomerism of the following molecular mass formula. So general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So the molecular mass is 12 into x plus 1 into 2x plus 2 equal to 86. Here 12 is the atomic mass of carbon and 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. So we have to, after calculation, the value of x is 6. Now we have to put the value of x in this. So we have to find the value of alkane. Molecular formula of alkane is C6H14. Now we have to write the isomers of C6H14. These are the following isomers of C6H14. First is CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH3, which have named hexane. Then this carbon atom goes to this. So we have write in CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH and single bond CH3. Here this carbon chain come as a branch chain CH3. So the name change as 2-methyl pentane. And third is CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH single bond CH2 and single bond CH3 and one branch chain CH3, which have named 3-methyl pentane. Fourth isomer is CH3 CH2 single bond CH2 single bond C. It have two branch chain CH3 and single bond CH3, which have named 2,2-dimethyl butane. Fifth is CH3 single bond CH single bond CH single bond CH3. These have two branched, one on CH and second on also CH. So this name 2,3-dimethyl butane.